My advice for preparing for the first day of placement, take a deep breath to begin with. It can be really scary, but the nerves are just nerves, like it's not your reality of what's going to happen. A really key thing that I wish I did a little bit better was preparation, and that could be if you're heading into a 12-hour shift or a 9 to 5 in a community placement, you need to make sure that you're fueled. I would totally recommend students to prepare their meals, snacks before, maybe a few days before, so they don't have to worry about that in the week, because it is tiresome, it is hard work, and the last thing you want to do is to get home and cook like 4 meals for the week. Make sure that you're prepared to what you're going into. So if you're going into a placement and you're on a ward that you've never been on, or you're in an area that you've never thought you'd be on, my recommendation would be to get in touch with that ward, research what sort of treatments they offer. You're going to look so much better going into a placement, and you're going to look so much better to your supervisor if you know about the basic drugs that are common on those types of ward, or like the basic procedures. Decompress after placement. For me personally, the gym was a massive thing. I don't have to plan what I'm doing. I just show up, work out for an hour, and then I head home and I go to bed. So for me, getting the endorphins going at the gym is really important.